Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Pastel Pink filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.45. Contrast to minus 100. Highlights to minus 100. Shadows to plus 58. Whites to minus 55. Blacks to plus 31. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to plus 21. Tint to plus 17. Adjust vibrance to minus 13. Saturation to minus 19. And then go to Color Mix. First go to Red. Hue to minus 26. Saturation to minus 30. Luminance to plus 49. Next go to Orange. Hue to minus 23. Saturation to plus 59. Luminance to plus 17. Next go to Yellow. Hue to plus 2. Saturation to minus 75. Luminance to plus 13. Next go to Green. Hue to plus 7. Saturation to minus 72. Luminous to plus 27. Next go to Light Blue. Hue to minus 13. Adjust saturation to -100. Luminance to -31. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -27. Adjust saturation to +33. Luminance to -24. Next go to purple. Hue to -16. Adjust saturation to +12. Luminance to -11. Next go to pink. Hue to -24. Adjust saturation to +27. Luminance to -7. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Click on Split Toning. Highlights, S2, 18. And balance to -100. And done. Next go to Detail. Noise reduction to 17. Color noise reduction to 24. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.